Welcome to the spoken tutorial on registration for admission to Standard 1 Kendriya Vidyalaya for the academic year 2018-19. The online application process using the portal has following steps to complete: registration, login, fill the online application form for student admission, upload required documents, agree to the declaration and submit. In this video, we will demonstrate registration and confirmation of registration. Here is the link for the admission portal. Open the link in any web browser. On the top of the page, we have links for Home, Help Desk, FAQ, Register, Login. Next, we have links for Instructions, Proforma document samples, Print application, Check application status. On the right panel, we have important dates and important links. Note, this portal is exclusively for admission to Class 1 for the academic year 2018-19. Click on Register link. Instructions in English tab opens. Instructions in Hindi are also available. Click on Hindi mein Nirdesh tab. Click on Instructions in English tab. Read all the instructions carefully. These instructions are applicable for admission to Standard 1 during February-March 2018 and for the academic year 2018-19. Scroll down the page. At the end of the page, below the subsection titled Declaration and Submit, click on the checkbox which indicates I have carefully gone through the instructions given above and I shall abide by all terms and conditions as per KVS admission guidelines. Click on Proceed button to take you to the registration page. The first step is to register at the portal. The page by default opens with the new registration form. It is mandatory for all the applicants to register online. Read the instructions carefully before filling up the registration form. Please fill the application in English only. Information entered in other languages will not be saved. If differently abled category is selected, then please upload disability certificate while submitting the online form. Information entered here cannot be modified after submitting. It is important to note that information given here matches with your documents. Please fill in all mandatory fields as indicated here with red asterisks. For demonstration, I will fill in the form. Type the first name of the child, middle name of the child. If your child has no middle name, leave it blank. If you have to fill in two middle names, use space between names. Fill in the surname as last name. Fill in the date of birth as reflected in the birth certificate. Please read the instructions about age limit. A message appears. Kindly note that minimum age for admission to Standard 1 is 5 years and the maximum admissible 7 years as on 1st April 2018, with a 2-year relaxation in upper age limit for differently abled candidates. Click on OK. Next, fill in valid email ID. You will receive all the communication from the school to this email ID. Fill in your mobile number. This number will be used for further communication from school. Further query, is the child differently abled? If applicable, select yes. Otherwise, select no. This field is mandatory. If you select yes, please refer to the admission instructions. Click on Instructions link and open in a different browser tab. For more information, please refer to the instructions page. Please type the code shown above. In this field, letters are case sensitive. The information entered here will be displayed in the application. Information entered in the above fields cannot be modified once submitted. Please check the information entered. Make sure all the mandatory fields are filled. Click on Submit button. An acknowledgement page for the successful registration will be displayed. Here, your enrollment ID will be displayed. Please save the enrollment ID. Do not share this ID with anybody. This enrollment ID along with date of birth and email entered while registering will be used to log in for filling application form. Please save or print this page for future reference. Click on Print button to print the page. Or you can also take a screenshot of this page and save the image. You can also print to a file. We have now completed the first step of registration and confirmation of registration. We still need to complete the following steps in order to submit the application. Log in. Fill in the online application form for student admission. Upload required documents. Agree to the declaration and submit. For demonstration of the above steps, please watch the video on online application for admission to Standard 1 in Kendriya Vidyalaya. This video is created by Snehalata Kaliyappan and Madhuri Ganpati from Spoken Tutorial Project, IIT Bombay. Spoken Tutorial Project is funded by the National Mission on Education through ICT and the Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Mission on Teachers and Teaching. Thank you for joining.